Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. Tonight's story is New Year's Day. If you enjoyed my story, please bookmark, follow, and share. Your support is appreciated. In the vast countryside, there was a beautiful little mountain village where an energetic and curious young goat named Willie lived. Willie was known as the liveliest creature in the village, always full of curiosity and eager to explore the world. On the morning of New Year's Day, sunlight bathed the hills, casting a golden hue over the entire village. Willie, unable to contain his excitement, leaped around, ready to embark on a unique New Year adventure. Willie decided to head to the edge of the village, where a small stream flowed. There, a beautiful sea of flowers awaited, each blossom swaying in the gentle breeze and emitting a delightful fragrance. Willie hopped through the flower sea, discovering a bird taking a refreshing bath. "Good morning, feathered friend," Willie greeted cheerfully. The bird responded with a joyful chirp. "Good morning, Willie. Happy New Year." Inspired by the bird's laughter, Willie decided to invite the bird to join him on his New Year adventure. Together, they crossed the flower sea and ventured into a mysterious forest. In the heart of the forest, there was an ancient stone bridge spanning over a clear creek. Willie hopped onto the bridge and said to the bird, "Let's explore what lies beneath the bridge." The two curious creatures drifted along the creek, witnessing the reflections of vibrant colors shimmering on the water's surface. Like adventurers, they discovered enchanting corners and spent joyful moments exploring the magical surroundings. By noon, Willie and the bird reached the village market. The lively atmosphere was contagious, with stalls offering various snacks and handmade crafts. Willie waved his hoof at the vendors, saying, "Let's get some delicious New Year treats." The bird happily agreed, and they indulged in a feast of local delights. Finding a cozy corner, they enjoyed their food while watching the vibrant scenes unfolding in the market. As the afternoon unfolded, Willie and the bird climbed a hill overlooking the village. From afar, the entire village looked like a silver ocean, shimmering with warm light. "New Year's Day is truly a wonderful time," Willie exclaimed. The bird nodded. "Indeed, and having a cute friend like you makes it an unforgettable adventure." The two little animals snuggled together, gazing at the sparkling stars in the evening sky, enjoying the peaceful and beautiful moment. On this special New Year's night, Willie and the bird shared a warm and unforgettable adventure.